Jonathan Raymond.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and give the microphone to them and let them do their thing.
How to Torture Your Students by Bruce Lansky. Start each day with a surprise quiz. Don't dismiss class for recess until you've finished with the lesson you're working on. At the end of the day, hand out a huge assignment that's due the next day.
When a student says, I have to go to the bathroom, say you should have gone this morning before you left home, or you'll have to hold it in. It's time for the kindergarten to use the bathroom.
Never call on students who have their hands up. Only call on students who have no idea what's going on. When a student asks you a question, say, look the answer up in a book. Don't bother to mention the name of the book which in the answer could be found.
When you read, go as fast as you can, skip a line or two, and ask the questions about the pages to see if the students were listening.
When it's time for students to read, call on someone who doesn't have a book.
When you hand out pencils, make sure they're dull and don't have erasers. When you hand out books, make sure they're torn and tattered.
When preparing the students for a test, write all the information they need to know on the board. Then stand in front of the board so they can't see what you've written. As soon as you're finished discussing the test information, turn quickly and erase the board.
On the last day of school, hand out a surprise final exam. Tell your students if they flunk it, they'll have to attend summer school. And if they flunk summer school, they'll have to repeat the grade. Tell them you hope they all flunk because you like them so much and you wish they could be your students again next year.